Hello guys, so I have received this 2-liter electric foam sprayer. Let's unbox it. Let me show you what comes included. Inside the box will be included our electric foam sprayer. It's a one-button operation. It also comes with some accessories. This is a USB cable. It's a USB-A to Type-C, and also a couple of nozzle adjustments. It also comes with an instruction manual. This is going to get you some instructions on how to operate it. It's very simple. It's a one-button operation, and it will also give you some maintenance instructions. This is very handy. Now let me show you the electric foam sprayer. This will produce snow foam with a touch of a button. All you have to do is just push this button right here and it will start or it will stop. Right here it has the USB Type-C port, so you can charge it, and it will blink whenever it's charging, and it will stay solid blue when it finishes charging. It will also get you a battery indicator right here. For optimum results, you will need to get this Snow Foam Auto Wash liquid. You will pour about 2 ounces of this, and the rest you will fill with just regular water. The use of this electric foam sprayer is very simple. It's a one-button operation. First, you will pressurize, and once it pressurizes, then you're ready to start foaming your tires or your outdoor equipment. This electric foam cannon generates rich, thick foam for superior cleaning without harsh scrubbing. Equipped with an advanced IntelliChip, it monitors internal pressure in real time, auto stops at peak pressure, and repressurizes when low for consistent professional foam flow with no guesswork. The battery is rechargeable. It provides up to 45 minutes of continuous use, no hose or power cord needed. Perfect for the mobile detailing and outdoor cleaning. It has a capacity of 2 liters. Fewer refills for bigger cleaning jobs, durable construction with acid-resistant materials for long-lasting performance. I hope that the information about this electric foam sprayer was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching. See you on the next video.